Former U.S. Ambassador to NATO Douglas Lute said he believes Russia lacks the ability to seize the Ukrainian capital of Kiev. Speaking on ABC News This Week on Sunday, Lute shared his thoughts on Russia's capacity to take over Kiev, after host Martha Raddatz asked if Russian forces had given up on the seizing the target, one of its top goals since the invasion began on February 24. "I think Kiev is beyond their means," Lute responded. "They can't seize Kiev. They can't replace the Zelensky government. I think they are still looking for opportunities to figure out what their goals are. They are sort of making it up as they go along." Lute added that Russian President Vladimir Putin is looking for opportunities and will grab the first good one available. Russian forces withdrew from the area around Kiev earlier this month after several weeks of war with Ukraine revealed a staunch defense and refusal to abandon the city. Ukrainian police said over 900 bodies have been discovered in areas surrounding Kiev, and many of them appear to be civilians that were simply executed by Russian troops. Russia began a new phase of its attack on Ukraine last week, focusing on the eastern Donbass region. The U.S. and other Western countries are providing additional, heavier weaponry to Ukraine, arming the country for what may be months of intense clashes in the region's flatter, more open terrain. On Sunday, Lute said some of the same Russian shortfalls may be on display yet again in the Donbass region. The problems that the Russian army demonstrated in Phase 1 of this fight, in and around Kiev, where they failed, Ukrainians outmatched them. "Those same shortfalls by the Russian military, I think, will be on display again in the Donbass," Lute said. He added, "You can't reform an army in a matter of a couple of weeks. This is the same Russian army, so I expect many of the same failures." The former ambassador said that while Putin may wish to expand Russia's power and recreate something like the old Russian Empire, it is not within his means. "There is a big gap between his aims and his means," Lute said. "I don't think that the situation on the battlefield yet lends itself to some sort of diplomatic, compromise solution. Both sides still imagine that they can win this."
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.